Okay, so ninth standard students, a very good afternoon and a very warm welcome to the online session of this class. Okay, so what we have done in the last class, we have already completed about the transport of your second part. Now we are going with the geography only, and the second part today we will be starting with the industries of Karnataka. What are the industries of Karnataka? What are the favorable conditions what we are getting in Karnataka to run these industries? Everything. Okay, one by one, by level wise level, we will get everything knowing. Okay. So this is your chapter 7 and this is your page 103. I don't know whether you people all are having the books or not. Okay. And one more thing I am telling you, for internal, this year it will not be a auto pass out also. Okay. You don't think that maybe if you are not serious, you will be in 9th standard for one more time. Okay. So that is not my issue, that is your issue. If you are enough confident or you are enough serious about your study, you will go through it. Okay. Now we will start with the chapter Geography, Industry of Karnataka. Growth of industries plays an important role in the development of any state in the country. Growth of any state or any country, it depends on the industries of the Karnataka. The industries are there, the country will be developed. Due to the presence of several abundant mineral resources in Karnataka, it is very much several mineral resources are there. Raw material, ideal climate, sufficient climatic conditions, good transportation system, skilled laborers, wide market and modern technology. Karnataka is famous for variety of industries. In Karnataka, what happened? You can see several types of industries. Okay, it's not that we are having only iron and steel industry, or we are having this industry, means garment industry or some other industries. Okay, we are having several types of industry. And why these types of industries are here? Because we are having everything what is needed to make a grow for the industry. Mr. Vishweshwaraya's contribute for the hydroelectric power generation station at Sivasamundaram in 19,002, almost 118 years before. Many other industries came into existence with new view. Okay, see, in 19,002, the hydroelectric power, means the electricity generation power, was developed. Okay, once it is developed, electricity is also a raw material for other industries. Other industries, they need electricity. So what are the industries that time they develop? They are the rice mill, okay, tile factory, tobacco industries, iron and brass industries were established. After 1923, many modern manufacturing industries like iron and steel, soap factories, Mysore soap factories in near to this Yashanpur, it is very famous. Okay, cotton and silk milk, paper, cement, paint, sugar, sandal oil, etc. were started. Once the electricity came, what happened? The other industries which are having the raw material, but they need electricity, and electricity, it is costly. But once it is getting generated in Shivasamundaram, what happened? We can access to that easily. So once we can get access to that easily, all other industries, they can flourish. So not only Karnataka, the whole of India is too much having the plenty of industry because of this electricity. Electricity is very much important for any industries. Okay, but after independence, okay, industrial policy of the central government further enable industrial development, and for instance manufacture of, see, once this Mr. Vishwesvaraya, he put some effort to get the hydroelectric power. After that, what happened? The other industries, sugar, jute, cotton, whatever, plantation corporations, okay, they all flourished, okay. But once we get the independence, after that what happened? The manufacture of aeroplanes, engineering, machine tools, HMT is Hindustan Hindustan Machine Tools. We previously was not having this Titan or this one, your what is that, Titan or like that watch, okay. It was HMT, and Bangalore is the city from where the HMT is having the headquarter, Hindustan Machine Tools watch factory, okay. BEL, BEL, okay, Bharat Electricity, okay, then BHEL, BHEL, etc. They got, once electricity came, they get into existence and they flourished like anything, okay. Electronic, biotechnology, aluminium information technology, etc. where came into existence. So once, one by one it will come, okay. First we got landline, then we got the phone which are black and white, then we got color mobile, then we got mobile, then we got smartphone, nowadays we got tab and all. So in the further, in our future we will get more and more things, okay. So development can be happen like that only. But for now we will be discussing about the iron and steel industry, okay. Iron you know, and steel also you know. Karnataka occupies being the first state in South India, not in India, South India, to establish an iron and steel factory. First was at Bhadravati in Shivamoga district, okay. The iron and steel. See, Karnataka is very rich, or plenty of deposits of iron ore is there in Karnataka. So what happened? They got the raw material, means this type of industry can flourish. The most important iron and steel industry in Vishwesvaraya Iron and Steel Industry, VISL, okay. So the first, you can understand that electricity was came into existence with the power of that person, Vishwesvaraya. And this industry also, iron and steel industry, Vishwesvaraya Iron and Steel Industry, it came into existence. Okay, the most important iron and steel industry is Vishwesvaraya Iron and Steel Industry, VISL. Okay, it's in Karnataka, South India, and it came fast into existence. Iron ore for this industry was sent from Kemmanagundi, line from Bandigudda, water from Bhadra river, and manganese from Sandur river. So these are the main thing which we require for any industry, okay. Not any industry, for iron and steel industry. What we need? We need water, we need manganese, iron and steel. I previously also told that steel it will get hardened only when you will mix manganese to that, okay. So manganese is required, which we are getting from Sandur, okay. Water we are getting from Bhadra river, and the main thing is that iron ore, okay. Iron ore for this industry was sent from Kemmanagundi, line from Bandigudda. These are the raw materials which are already present in Karnataka, and these are sent to this VSIL so that they can make a good extent of their industry. Sharavati hydropower generating also the electricity also important, not only water, from where the Sharavati river, that is the main source of that your Jog falls, okay. So there one hydroelectric power station is there, and hydroelectric power station that is helping this iron and steel industry to flourish. The next important iron and steel industry of Karnataka is being owned by private sector. This was a government sector iron and steel industry, but one private sector it is there, that is known as, everybody is familiar with this name, that is Jindal, okay. Vijayanagara Steel Limited in 2001. In 2001 we got this industry private, but this is very also effective, and this contribute much for the economic development of Karnataka, and that is the Jindal, in which place? Vijayanagara Steel Limited in 2001. So iron and steel industry, once you get the notes, you can understand everything. Okay. Karnataka occupies being the first state in South India. This thing is the main thing which you should understand. Because Karnataka in ragi production also it is fast. So you should know which are the things your state is fast. So these are the things you should understand. So iron and steel industry, okay, it is over and you should go through it, and any doubt you should come and clarify it. Okay. So Karnataka occupies the first position in South India for your iron and steel industry and in the production of ragi also. Okay, I am making you recap all these things because in the exam it will come. Okay, so very thank you, and other industries we will go in the next video. Thank you.